Hey y'all, today we'll be going over how to add an experience to the CCR as a student. Once you have completed a CCR experience and would like to add it to your record, first sign in to ghworks.guelphumber.ca with your GH login credentials. Open up the Co-Curricular Record tab. Here is your overview of your CCR. You can find more options by clicking the blue menu circle, but to add a new experience, hit the Add an Experience button. From here, you can search for the title of your experience and then click the Add to Record button. You will need to choose up to 5 skills that reflect your development during your time in the role. These will be listed on your record, so choose wisely. Some skills will be suggested and will guide you in your skill selection. Now that you have requested for an experience to be added to your record, the validator, who is the staff or faculty supervising the experience, will approve the request if you have met the minimum requirements for validation. You can make any changes to the skills you have selected up until your request has been approved. If you have any questions, email ccr@guelphumber.ca.